All right, so I thought I'd take you in here and just show you what's going on. You can see some ones that I've polished. Now, what I think is going on is the wheel comes around this direction, and it has those feelers that are looking for the pins that are out of place. And when it finds one, it kind of bangs into it. And I think these pins wear a little bit, and wherever that contact is made, that's where you're getting the rust lines. But they have these impact lines where it crashes into it, and some of them you can catch your fingernail on. Probably depending on how popular that particular record was and for how long it stayed in there. But then you come over here and you can clearly see the rust line on this. So that had to come off, and there was just really no way for me to polish these like this with it in situ. So a whole bunch more to go. I've only done about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've done 7, and I don't know. I'm going to be here a while. It's probably going to be an hour to go around the outer ring and another hour to go around the inner ring. Then I have to flip it over and do the same thing. So I'm looking at probably 4 hours worth of polishing on this silly thing. But I think it'll be worth it. And that's what I'm going to do. Catch you guys later. Bye.